Residents and social media users in Harare have reported seeing a large aircraft believed to be a United States Air Force USAF plane flying over the city and later parked at Robert Mugabe International Airport. Sadabina Mashkobranyo Gachin's US plane spotted entering Harare. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Photos and short video clips circulated widely on Facebook and other community forums, with commenters claiming the aircraft bore USAF markings. However, by the time of publication, neither the Zimbabwean authorities nor the US government had issued an official statement confirming the aircraft's identity or purpose. Local online news platforms amplified the reports, triggering speculation about the nature of the visit. Suggestions ranged from routine diplomatic or logistical operations to training, humanitarian activity, or technical overs. Most outlets, however, cautioned that the information remained unverified in the absence of the confirmation from the airport's Company of Zimbabwe, the Civil Aviation of Zimbabwe, or a government spokesperson. The reported sighting comes against the backdrop of heightened global competition for critical minerals, particularly lithium, platinum, rare earths, and nickel, resources in which Zimbabwe is richly endowed. Under President Donald Trump's administration, the U.S. openly adopted an aggressive America First economy strategy, prioritizing secure access to strategic minerals and supply chains to counter China's growing influence in Africa. Washington has increasingly viewed resource-rich countries as central to its economic and national security interests, often framing engagement in terms of competition rather than development partners. US-Zimbabwe relations have historically been strained, largely due to government concerns, sanctions imposed under the Zimbabwe Democratic and Economic Recovery Act (ZERA), and Zimbabwe and Harare see close ties with China and Russia. While recent years have seen cautious diplomatic engagements, military cooperation between the two countries has remained limited, marking any reported presence of a U.S. military aircraft particularly sensitive and politically charged. Toma developments anobuda panguva inoi pena kumasection methodzi vafunguro a mutodipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, sit on the bell icon.